my friends, my name is Janne, and I'm going to show you what I am doing to upgrade my boat. Not upgrade and modernize. The boat is an Bayliner Sierra 2855 from 1998, and this kind of boats is like a little bit unmodern, and it's not unmodern, it's made in the States, and in the States everybody knows that they have a different kind of current and voltage, so I have to convert the boat also to, I had made it already because I had owned the boat for almost 3 years now. But slowly I am upgrading the boat to be more modernized. So I will take you around to see what I am doing and what I have done. So, as you can see, it's a big mess at the moment because it's not a season for boating at this moment. So I'm here in the cold part of Sweden and upgrading at the farm side. As you can see, I have a television over there, and also a new microwave oven, a regular oven, and I will not take away that parts over there to show what's under there. Inside here it's a little bit messy, but we have a television over there for who will be here sleeping, and a nice shiny music box, or how you say it in English. Okay, let's go further on. As you can see, the boat have hatches. Let's see what's happened. Oh, it's loosened. Why? Yeah, because there was a leak during the summer, last summer when I was out. And the same thing over here. I have a new hatch over here. And this is, okay, attached so to see that the screws is tightened right, but I will make with Sikaflex also. So it will be a little bit tight. And over here, you can see the chain over there, and I will explain why further on. Let's go on. Here we have a little nice touch control panel. It works inside the cabin, but outside in the cockpit, no. It's a big no. Doesn't work. Inside here, a little bit messy, as you can see. Newspaper covered the hole. I will show you why. We had an automatic light that was, but now there is a LED light over here, and hidden behind here. And nice and cozy. Also we have these original lights over here, but for short persons like my daughters, it's a little bit bad position of the lights. So we have it over here. Okay, let's go outside. As I said, it's a little bit messy. So what have we here? I have during this winter upgraded with new solar panels, and I think it did very well over here. You can change the direction like this, yes, like this, no, but I think where I have the marina, it's very good to have, I think, one in this position, the other in the other position when it's over there. Because the sun will go up, raise over there, go over there. So, I think different kind of positions like this will be very nice. So I can charge the batteries. And new TV antenna. This one is new also, but I will attach it later on. So what have we here? A new steering wheel, also a small kind of modernization of the boat. Over here, I can tell you later because it's a little bit messy. Everybody know what this is? Okay, can give you a clue. 230 volt. Let's see over here. The hatches, as I told you, I'm not changing these small hatches yet because everything for the boats is expensive, so I will leave it for now, and I just painted them and tightened them a little bit with the new Sikaflex and screws. And over here we have a new windlass. It's on its place. The electrical wirings from the old windlass is connected, but I will modernize that too with a remote control. And this little baby, a very nice baby. In Sweden in summer times we don't have really dark nights in the summertime, but in the spring and in the autumn, yeah, it can get a little bit dark during the nights, so we need some lights at that time. So let's go further on. Over here, as I told you, touch panel is not so good to have in the cockpit, so I'm changing that to this one. This one has to be over here. And why? Yes, because we need to have some lights over here in the cockpit, and during our famous midsummer, it's nice to have a little bit like a, how can you say, a little disco or a cozy style of lights. I want to control it over here. I don't want to go over to the captain's area to change the lights, so because everybody will be here, and so it's nice, lots nicer to have it over here. Let's see, what do we have more? This one I have already made. It's a control panel for the solar, and I think it's nice to have it over here because we don't have so much space to put control units in this kind of powerboat, so it's easier to have it over there. It's close to the equipment for the solar panel, and it's a little bit hidden. What do we have more? Let's see. Okay, I have a fishing rod, but everybody will tell me that it's not in this right angle to put the rod and so on. Yeah, I know, I will change that, but this is the beginning, so I will change that. Also baller, this one is new, and this little doohickey, as Mads always say, is for the windlass, the back windlass at the aft. And we use it a lot here in Sweden. Over here, Tom, also, this is new. I think it's a little bit more practical to have it over there. This is the original. I will leave that also. It's good to have sometimes, but I think it will be much more nicer to have it over here. But to fit this one, I had to make a hole. But it's very nice to have a hole here, because there's a lot of space inside there. So I will invent something like a storing place or something like that. As you can see over here, this one is also not original. And in the later version of Bayliners, you have a hatch over here. This model of year is totally closed, and I don't know why. Inside here you can see the motor of the windlass that I am making. It's not ready yet, electrical. Let's go further on. I was stepping on a swim platform, and this platform is 1 year old, yeah. But the position, the angle of the platform was not so good when it's time to make barbecue because the meatball was rolling into the water. So I am changing the position of that one. So there is a lot of small things that has to be done at this moment, and further on I will show you. Okay, that's for now.